The Bible says this. Ecclesiastes chapter 11 verse 2 says, invest in 7 ventures. Yes. Hindi lang nga 7, 8 pa nga. Because you do not know what disaster may come upon the land. You know, 3 years ago, lahat tayo naka-mask, lahat tayo naka-face shield. Sino kumita nung pandemic? Asawa ko, nag-invest yan sa mga face shields, sa mga mask, nagbenta yan ng ano. Kaya lang nagkataon na biglang nagbagsak ang mga presyo. So we were left with thousands and thousands of face shields. But we did our best to invest in many ventures during the pandemic. But I mentioned this verse because it really shows that the Bible is so wise. Because you know what, today, if you talk to mga millionaires who are not necessarily believers, but they will tell you the habits of a billionaire. You know, they say, when you ask them, how many ventures have you invested in? Ang sinasabi nila, I have 7 or 8 sources of passive and active income. It's there, oh. So, not unknowingly, many people, many millionaires are actually following that biblical example. And most Filipinos, they only know savings account, tsaka time deposit. Okay, sinong guilty dyan? Yes, when I was starting out, yun lang alam ko eh. Nanay ko kasi yun lang din alam niya. You know that in the world, these are the percentages of the world's population that are invested in stocks. And if you look at the most prosperous countries, you know, half of the US population, they have invested in stock market. China, na lumalago, 30 to 40%. Also, like in the 30s and 40s. But the Philippines, Australia, 20%. Philippines, wala pang 1%, 0.7%. So, show of hands of those of you who are invested in the stock market. So, more or less, it's like 1 or 2%. But what I want to share with you before we close our time here is how to invest in dividend stocks in the Philippine Stock Exchange, okay? How many of you are invested not only in stocks but also in dividend stocks? Konti lang, no? 2, 3. Meron ng tanong sa akin, bumunong sa akin habang nag-represent si Miriam. Sabi, bro, paano kung nalugi yung company dun sa stock market na ininvest ko? So sabi ko, huwag ka mag-invest dun sa mga companies na palugi o nalulugi. O saan ka mag-invest? Question, nalulugi ba Meralco? Hindi. Di ba? Sasabihin mo ba, ayoko nang gumastos sa kuryente. Buwisik kayo Meralco, hindi ko na kayo babaya. Di ba? Wala namang ganun, di ba? Yung PLDT, nalulugi ba yung PLDT? Jollibee, nalulugi ba ang Jollibee? BDO, nalulugi ba ang BDO? Hindi, di ba?